Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio F91W. Now something really important to do before that is to actually press the button on the right to select 24-hour display in case that is something that you prefer, or if you press it one more time it is going to have the 12-hour display. I prefer the 24, so I'm going to leave it like this. Now, in order to set the time and date, we are going to press the mode button once, twice, and when you press it the third time, you will be able to first set the seconds. If I press the button on the right, they are going to reset to 0. If I press the top left button, we are going to go and set the hours. You can go and press one by one, or you can press and hold in order to speed scroll. As you can see, I have the 24-hour display. Now it is going to show me 2020. Now I'm going to press the light button once again, and I'm going to be able to adjust the minutes. Once again, I can press and hold, so I can speed scroll here as well. I'm going to make it 55. So I'm going to get closer, release the button, and go one by one, or in case I was lucky, I have exactly 55. I'm going to press the light button once again, and now I can set the month. I can once again go one by one or speed scroll. I'm going to make it February. I'm going to press the light button once again, and I can set the day of the month. So I'm going to make it the 25th, and I'm going to also press the light button once again in order to set the day of the week. So I'm going to make it Friday, just like that. Now, if I press the light button once again, we are going to arrive once again from the beginning. I can reset the seconds to 0, and then I can keep on going in order to set the hours, the minutes, and arrive once again at the date. Once everything is done and set, you can press the mode button in order to end the process. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date on your Casio F91W. Once again, make sure to switch between AM and PM depending on what you prefer. I prefer the military time, the 24-hour display. In case you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up because it helps the channel a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next. I have a full guide on how to use all the functions and features on the Casio F91W, link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. Once again, give it a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.